Good morning, students. I am Manikant Mishra, Modern English School, New Area. So today we are going to discuss about one of the most important topic, that is a mole concept. But before we start mole concept, we'd like to discuss with you the gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass. So as we have already discussed about that one of the characteristics of an atom has its characteristic mass, so called atomic mass. So when the atomic mass of an element is expressed in gram, when the atomic mass of an element is expressed in gram, then we call it as a gram atomic mass. As for example, if I say what is the atomic mass of oxygen atom, then we say 16U, 16 atomic mass unit. But if I ask you what is the gram atomic mass of oxygen atom, then 16 gram. Then 16 gram. My dear student, please try to understand it very clearly. Atomic mass, if I say atomic mass of an element, atomic mass of calcium is equal to 14 AMU, 14 atomic mass unit. If I say what is the gram atomic mass of calcium, then gram atomic mass of calcium is 40 gram. Similarly, we have talked about the molecular mass. What is molecular mass? Sum of all the atoms present in a molecule, that is called molecular mass. As for example, molecular mass of oxygen, since oxygen is a diatomic gas, so its molecular formula is O2. So molecular mass of oxygen is molecular mass of oxygen. Molecular mass of oxygen equals to 16 into 2, 32 AMU, or simply U. But if I say gram molecular mass of O2, then what would be 32 gram. So it means when the molecular mass of a substance is expressed in gram, when the molecular mass of a substance is expressed in gram, then we call it as a gram molecular mass. It's all right. Now let us come to that. A very fundamental, a very important topic is mole. My dear student, mole is nothing but it is a unit which establishes the relation between the two things, number and mass. Like when you are going to buy the egg, when you ask to seller, please give me 1 kg egg, he doesn't give you. What he says? No, I can give you in a counting 6 piece, 2 piece, 12 piece, 18 piece, but I cannot give you in mass. Why? Because he has no established relation between the number and the mass. But if you go to the sweet shop, If you ask, give me half kg rasgulla, he will give you. Some other customer comes that asks, give me 5 pieces of rasgulla, he gives, because he has already established relation between the number and the mass. So in a chemistry also we need a unit which can correlate, which can relate the relation between the number and the mass. And it is the mole which establishes the relation between the number and the mass. That's why we study about the mole concept. So what is a mole? A group of 6.022 or 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, molecules or ions. A group of, what is a mole? A group of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. In some books it is a 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Atoms, molecules or ions. A group of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, molecules or ions is called a mole. Now, how to establish a relation between establish a relation between gram atomic mass and mole. So 1 gram atomic mass of an element is equivalent to 1 mole. Gram atomic mass is equivalent to 1 mole, and 1 mole is equivalent to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. As for example, if I say 16 gram atoms of oxygen equivalent to 1 mole. 16 gram atoms of oxygen is equivalent to 1 mole. And equivalent to how many atoms containing 16 gram atoms of oxygen? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of oxygen. 16 gram atoms of oxygen equivalent to 1 mole, and 1 mole contain 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of oxygen. Now, this number is also called Avogadro number. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 is called Avogadro number. Now, gram molecular mass is equivalent to 1 mole and equivalent to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So, like if I say 32 gram oxygen equivalent to 1 mole and equivalent to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of oxygen. So this is the relation between the gram molecular mass, mole and Avogadro number. So my dear student, please try to understand. If you any difficulty, please let me know. Thank you. Have a nice day.